Vai Dikshita from 9th IIT in Ratnam English Medium High School. Today I am going to say PPT. My topic is pollution. How many members know about pollution? There are so many kinds of pollution, and now we'll discuss about pollution. Cause of this pollution, a lot of serious issues like heart diseases, heart stroke, and so many kinds of diseases will come if we there are 5 major groups of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution, and light pollution. Now we'll discuss about air pollution. Cause in air pollution, mainly the industries and factories and power plant, these are the main causes of air pollution. By this the air was polluted a lot. Mainly now mainly cause of this health issues like heart stroke, heart attack, they will occurs. And in India, 99% of the India was covered with the air pollution. By this, WHO has declared that 91% of world was covered with air pollution. Do you know anyone what is WHO? Yes, World Health Organization. World Health Organization. It has declared that 91% of Earth was covered with air pollution. Now we'll discuss about water pollution. There are so many issues of water pollution. By that, so many aquatic animals are damaged, and by that, so many there are 2 millions of water bodies or water aquatic animals are present. By that, 700 of rare species of water bodies, water aquatic animals are died by this by eating plastic. So many factories are releasing this water, they waste and in the rivers. By that, the aquatic animals are dying. Now you can see the picture, how the fishes are dying by that pollution by eating a lot of plastic in water. Soil pollution. So many factories are releasing a lot of waste by digging the soil, and they throwing the wastes in the soil and covering that. By that, the underground water also getting polluted. By eating those, yearly 100 of cows are dying by eating those plastics, and so many animals are dying by that. Yearly 20,000 to 40,000 tons of plastic the India was using, and they are throwing. By that, all the animals are dying. You can see the pictures how the cows are eating and how they are dying. Now we'll discuss about noise pollution. We shouldn't by this noise pollution, for humans, ear problems and sleep depression, stress will occurs. By that, on human, 75 decibels of sound they have to listen. At night times, 30 decibels of sound the human can listen. At daytime, 65 decibels of sound the human can hear. More than that, if we listen, we can get the hear loss and stress and depression. By that, so many health issues was occurs to the humans and animals also. We can see that how the animals are suffering by that noise pollution. Now light pollution. By this night pollution, the night sky was disappearing. There are by that stars are disappearing, and we are covering the night sky with the artificial lights. We should need to reduce that. You can see for more attractive purpose we are using more lights at night time. By that the night sky was disappearing and the sky glow and Milky Way was disappearing by this light pollution. My conclusion is we shouldn't use this plastics and we should need to use less and by that so many harms to the humans. We should by that we shouldn't use any plastics and we shouldn't pollute our earth. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.